So let me take you to this Ford radio. It's called Model T 1918. So check here. You see, it's 1918 Ford T model with radio OHV conversion. So this guy, this is already. So look at this is the carburetor on the car. And this is we check here to see this is a Ford, and there are the lights of the car. The light, and the owner say it's veteran car, and originally it's a veteran car. So look at it. This light, the hydrogen light, then it flashy, totally go blind. And come here. So see what it says here? Rolls-Royce Motors, Universal. So it's a very veteran car. So, and also check your rims. This car raced a few days ago, and I want to show you something important about this car. Remember, during those times, it's an old time ago. This is how you start a car. This, when you pull up this, all you just have to do is to roll it, and that is how the car eventually starts. Come on, let me take them on. Go this way, and you can see this is the spoke of the car. Imagine using this car. It's like it can goes off. It goes off road too. And this is on the of the car. So look at the engine. The engine still look exactly like something new. Just check the engine out. Everything is like new. Look at, come here, let me show them something. Radio, this is 1918. Radio 1918. So go back a bit, let me show them. And taking here, this is the horn of the car. A con. Remember what I said to you, this thing is what helps you to come. It's like a clamp. And look at it, steering wheel. And this helps to reflect, to cover the reflection of the light. And here is where the battery is. The battery of the car to help the car start. And to start the car, this is it. To start the car, this is where you start the car from. And this is where you put all your little equipment for the car. Look at it. It still looks like kind of branding. And one of the most important things I want to show you guys. Look at the tank, the petrol tank of the car. Look at the petrol tank. It's almost like this is almost 50 liters, and it has a reserve under 50 liters of petrol tank on this. And look at the back wheel. The tire is also deep. The tire is also like do it before the person brought it here for the car ratio. Let me show you the front. And this is the lamp for indicating, so it has to be connected to the front one, and this is the small one. And if you check the T, remember this is 1918 car. So let me take you guys again. And this is the brake. Everything is look. This is the brake, and this is the accelerator, and this is it. So look at it. It's very like, and look at the steering. It's still wooden. Exactly. Look at the indication. So everything is still new. And look at, remember I said this is the horn. And look, it's auto have fire series. And look at the chair here. A chair. So you to put it on this time, easy to open it from. So it's quite a nice. And come, let me show you. So I need a top coat soup on here. And this is the exhaust. So it goes down and up here. So that's easy. That's a nice car. Remember, it is Model T 1918. So it is a beautiful car. So check it out. It's gonna be racing in just 2 hours in Lake Tepikuli. So let's go.